if you want to eject the SIM tray from Samsung Galaxy S26, and if you do not have the SIM eject tool that you can find usually inside the box, what you can do is you can use some alternatives. Of course, some tools are better than other. So let me give you some examples on what you can use. Essentially, you are looking for something thin, straight, and sturdy, so that it can fit into this hole that we have in here. It doesn't break when you use a little bit of force, and also it has to be straight because, well, if you bend it, then you might have trouble with ejecting the SIM tray from the device. So the closest alternative, I think, is the paper clip. If you have like a paper clip, then you should be able to unfold a small paper clip so that one end is straight. Then you can just insert it into the SIM eject hole and then press until the tray pops out. You can also use like an earring post, like if you have like a plain metal stud earring that is not a hook or decorative end, then it should work just fine. You should be able to insert into the SIM tray hole and press gently. However, you want to make sure that the stud earring is clean and of course straight. And the sewing needle or pin also can work. It might work just fine. It works well because usually it's thin. You can hold it steady and press straight in. You want to avoid angled pressure, of course, as I mentioned. And besides that, you can, for example, try to use something like a mechanical pencil. If the lead is retracted, then you can use the tip. It only works on. It might work actually because not every mechanical pencil might fit in there. But essentially, plastic tips can break, so you just want to make sure that it doesn't break. And if it's tiny enough and if it fits over there, then of course you should be able to use it quite easily. Now, once you have one of these tools or something similar to them, then you should be able to put them into this hole over here and then push it with that bit of a force. Apply a little bit of pressure and then the SIM tray should slightly pop out. And then of course we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And then you can insert your SIM card or SIM cards. Now, if you are wondering what you should avoid, you definitely don't want to use like a wooden toothpicks or wooden sticks because they can easily break. If you have something like a plastic toothpick, then maybe it can work, but you have to be certain that it won't break inside when you use a little bit of pressure. A safety pin with rounded ends will not work as well. Screws or nails are also not recommended to use, and anything, of course, thick or blunt probably is not going to work as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.